A warm welcome to all my listeners. I, Neha, welcome you all to your very own Rendezvous with Twin Flames. I believe all of you are doing wonderful and must be taking care of yourself. Thank you so much for all the motivation and support, and I'm really grateful to you all. I've been receiving quite a few requests, and today's request is about the communication with your twin flame. The question says, is it wise not to respond to your twin flame? In my opinion, ignoring your twin flame would not be wiser at all. This is because your twin flame will always trigger you and push to your limits. They also undoubtedly trigger you with your emotions, and I suppose that could be one of the reasons you might be thinking not to respond to them. At the same time, you should not ignore the fact that the more you ignore, the more it becomes complex for you. Generally, if someone else reaches out to you, someone other than your twin flame, you choose to respond to the person as per your convenience. You can always be direct and straightforward in your communication. In case you do not want to be in touch with your twin flame for whatsoever reason, or if you wish to be distant from them, you can always communicate it to them. Will that not be a promising approach instead of ignoring the person who loves you the most? There is always an option to set healthy boundaries and progress on the relationship, which would turn out to be more fulfilling. They might feel hurt with your explicit words, but they might end up shattered with your unresponsiveness. So, even if they trigger you, never stop giving your love to them, because that is what they seek from you. Hope it will give you some insight. With this, I would like to end today's episode and wish you goodbye. If you have any questions or if you wish to share your experience with me, you may inbox me at emotionsrendezvous@gmail.com. Thank you so much for listening. See you soon. Till then, stay in love with Rendezvous with Twin Flames.